In the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity, one tool reigns supreme: Python. This programming language has become a cornerstone in the toolkit of modern hackers and cybersecurity experts. This versatile programming language has become indispensable for both hackers and cybersecurity professionals alike. Its adaptability and wide range of applications make it a go-to choice for various tasks, from scripting simple automation to developing complex security tools. Its simplicity, readability, and vast ecosystem of libraries make it the ultimate weapon in the digital arsenal. Python's extensive libraries, such as Scapy for network analysis and PyCrypto for cryptographic functions, provide powerful tools for any cybersecurity operation. Whether you're a seasoned penetration tester or a curious newcomer, Python is your key to unlocking the secrets of the digital world. Its user-friendly nature ensures that even those new to programming can quickly become proficient. Python's rise to prominence in the hacking world is no accident. Its development has been driven by a community of passionate programmers and security experts who continually expand its capabilities. Its intuitive syntax allows even novice programmers to quickly grasp its fundamentals. This ease of learning is crucial in a field where time is often of the essence. This ease of learning allows cybersecurity enthusiasts to focus on the task at hand, exploiting vulnerabilities, analyzing malware, or developing new security measures. Python's flexibility means it can be used for a wide range of tasks, from writing simple scripts to developing full-fledged applications, or building robust defenses without getting bogged down in complex code. Its ability to integrate with other languages and tools further enhances its utility, making Python an essential skill for anyone serious about cybersecurity. Why is Python the language of choice for the modern hacker? What makes it stand out in the vast sea of programming languages available today? The answer lies in its versatility and the abundance of powerful libraries tailored specifically for cybersecurity tasks. Python's simplicity and readability make it accessible even to those who are new to programming, while its depth and breadth of libraries cater to the needs of seasoned professionals. Need to scan a network for open ports? Python has you covered. With libraries like Scapy and Nmap, you can easily write scripts to perform network scans and gather crucial information about your target. Want to automate the exploitation of a common vulnerability? There's a library for that. Tools like Metasploit can be integrated with Python to automate complex tasks, making the process more efficient and less prone to human error. From network reconnaissance to malware analysis, Python provides the tools you need to navigate the intricate world of cybersecurity. Libraries such as Requests and Beautiful Soup allow for web scraping and data extraction, while others like Yara and Volatility are essential for malware analysis and memory forensics. One of Python's greatest strengths is its active and supportive community. This community is a treasure trove of knowledge, constantly sharing new techniques, tools, and best practices. Countless online forums, tutorials, and resources are readily available to help you along your hacking journey. Websites like Stack Overflow, GitHub, and various cybersecurity blogs offer a wealth of information and code snippets to get you started or help you overcome obstacles. This vast knowledge base ensures that you're never truly alone when facing a challenging task. Whether you're debugging a tricky piece of code or looking for the best library to use, the Python community is there to support you. The collaborative spirit of the Python community fosters innovation and ensures that the language remains at the forefront of cybersecurity. By working together and sharing knowledge, Python developers continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in the world of hacking and cybersecurity. Network hacking, the art of exploiting vulnerabilities in computer networks, finds a powerful ally in Python. This versatile programming language has become a favorite among hackers and security professionals alike due to its simplicity and power. Python's extensive libraries and frameworks make it an indispensable tool for anyone looking to delve into the world of network security. Libraries like Scapy and Impacket provide the building blocks for crafting custom network tools and exploits. These libraries offer a wide range of functionalities from packet manipulation to network protocol analysis, enabling users to create sophisticated hacking tools with relative ease. Imagine crafting packets with surgical precision, injecting malicious code into unsuspecting systems, or sniffing sensitive data traversing the network, all with the elegance and simplicity of Python. The ability to write scripts that can interact with network traffic in real time opens up a world of possibilities for both offensive and defensive security measures. Python's ability to interact with low-level network protocols makes it an ideal choice for tasks like port scanning, network mapping, and packet crafting. These tasks are essential for understanding the structure and vulnerabilities of a network, and Python's straightforward syntax makes it accessible even to those new to programming. Tools like Nmap, a staple in any hacker's toolkit, can be easily integrated with Python scripts to automate network reconnaissance and vulnerability discovery. By combining the power of Nmap with the flexibility of Python, users can create automated workflows that save time and increase efficiency. This seamless integration of tools allows security professionals to efficiently assess the security posture of their networks and identify potential weaknesses. With Python, they can automate repetitive tasks, analyze large datasets, and develop custom solutions tailored to their specific needs, making it an invaluable asset in the ever-evolving field of cybersecurity. Exploiting vulnerabilities often involves repetitive tasks that can be tedious and time-consuming. Python's scripting capabilities come to the rescue, allowing hackers and pen testers to automate these mundane actions. Imagine writing a script to automatically exploit SQL injection vulnerability across hundreds of websites or brute-forcing login credentials with lightning speed. Python's ability to interact with web servers, databases, and other network services makes it a powerful tool for automating web application attacks. Libraries like Requests and Beautiful Soup simplify the process of crafting HTTP requests and parsing HTML responses, enabling hackers to automate tasks like web scraping, form manipulation, and session hijacking. Section 5. Cracking the code reverse engineering with Python. Reverse engineering, the art of dissecting software to understand its inner workings, is another domain where Python shines. Libraries like Pew and Capstone provide the means to disassemble, analyze, and even modify compiled code. Imagine unraveling the secrets of malware, uncovering hidden functionalities, and patching vulnerabilities at the binary level, all with the power of Python. Python's ability to manipulate binary data and interact with debuggers makes it well-suited for reverse engineering tasks. Tools like IDA Pro, a professional-grade disassembler, offer Python scripting capabilities, allowing analysts to automate tasks like identifying function calls, extracting strings, and patching binaries. Section 6. Python, the data-driven defender. In the realm of cybersecurity, data is king. Python's prowess in data analysis and machine learning makes it an invaluable asset for security professionals. Imagine building intrusion detection systems that can identify and thwart attacks in real time, or training machine learning models to detect malicious patterns in network traffic. Libraries like scikit-learn and TensorFlow provide a rich toolkit for building and deploying machine learning models. Security analysts can leverage these tools to develop sophisticated intrusion detection systems, malware classifiers, and anomaly detection algorithms, bolstering their defenses against ever-evolving threats. Section 7. Breaking and building encryption with Python. Encryption, the cornerstone of cybersecurity, is another area where Python demonstrates its versatility. Libraries like PyCryptodome and cryptography provide the building blocks for both breaking and building cryptographic systems. Imagine cracking weak passwords, decrypting sensitive data, or implementing robust encryption algorithms, all with the flexibility and ease of Python. Python's ability to perform complex mathematical operations and manipulate binary data makes it a powerful tool for cryptography. Security professionals can use Python to implement secure communication channels, protect sensitive data at rest and in transit, and ensure the confidentiality and integrity of their systems. Section 8. Vulnerability scanning, exposing the weak points. Vulnerability scanning, the process of identifying security holes in software and networks, is an essential aspect of cybersecurity. Python's extensibility and support for network programming make it an ideal language for building custom vulnerability scanners tailored to specific needs. Imagine creating a scanner that automatically identifies and exploits cross-site scripting vulnerabilities in web applications, or a tool that probes networks for outdated and vulnerable software. Python empowers security professionals to proactively discover and address weaknesses before attackers can exploit them. Section 9. The power of Python, a double-edged sword. Like any powerful tool, Python can be used for both good and malicious purposes. While it empowers cybersecurity professionals to defend their systems, it also provides hackers with the means to exploit vulnerabilities and compromise security. This duality highlights the importance of ethical hacking and responsible disclosure in the cybersecurity community. The same Python libraries used to build robust security tools can be employed to craft sophisticated attacks. This underscores the importance of staying ahead of the curve in the cybersecurity arms race, constantly learning new techniques and adapting to the ever-evolving threat landscape.